Welcome back, guys. You may have been wondering how we've been getting on with our home renovations. Let's put on our brave pants and investigate together, shall we? You may remember we bought a 50s house that, to be kind, was pretty second-hand. The garage kind of needed to be put out of its misery, so we did this in the kindest way possible. To be fair, I reused a fair bit of it for other things like kindling, and feature walls and other stuff like that. This is how the kitchen and dining room looked. We kind of destroyed it and started again. A big thanks goes to my darling Tina for her design inspiration, and Roger, our builder. You're a bloody legend, mate. Without you, none of this would have been possible. Thanks very much, guys. See you again.